friends. It's me, Ruby the Bunny. Today is another special day. It's the Blue Day. Let's hop into our colour adventure together. Blue Day. Wow, look at the sky. It's so big and blue. Can you say sky? Sky. And what colour is it? That's right, blue. Oh, hello, little bluebird. Look, friends, the bluebird is singing. Can you flap your arms like a bird? Flap, flap, flap. Bluebird. Bluebird. The bird is blue. Hey, what's this? A blue ball. It's round and bouncy. Boing, boing. Can you roll your arms like a ball? Let's say it together. Blue ball. Ooh, look at the big blue ocean. It's so calm and splashy. Can you make wave motions with your hands? Blue ocean. Blue ocean. Blue, blue in the sky. Bluebirds singing way up high. Blue balls bounce, and oceans too. Ruby loves the colour blue. Can you clap along? Clap, clap, clap. Wow! We found so many blue things today. Let's remember: sky, bird, ball, ocean. All blue. Next time, we'll explore the colour yellow. Thanks for learning with Ruby. Don't forget to subscribe for more colour adventures.